just now we thought we saw discussed about the trusses, how to really classify, and then what do you mean by simple trusses? What is the meaning of properly constrained? Then we also talked about category determinant system. Then we applied the method of joints and method. Now, how we define the frame and how the whole method can be extended to find. First of all, the difference of frames with respect are it is similar to web class used support the load and static condition. However, it has at least one multi-force member. Okay. Has at least one multi-force member in which the trans incline load is example includes this one and then here there is a disconnect. Yes. So this particular element you are having how many multi-force member transverse force can be included. And other than again, if you want to find out whether it is properly defined or statically determined system, find the number of unknowns. How many? Let us say these are all pin joined. How many unknowns will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There 7, 8, 9. And how many number of equations will be there? Like 3 equations. Have the, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. And for each number there are 3 equations. Other system. Okay. The only thing that you will have to remember here is that here we can write that qualifies for statically determined. Another thing, same sets of concept can be applied here to find. So the only difference in the frames is that one or more multi-force members carries more than 2 forces, and otherwise the procedure of finding the forces will be machine. So it means that to find out the forces over here, there are three equations which are used. Summation of F F equals to 0, M equals to 0. In machine, what really happens, it is same as frame, but it will have one of the support which is moving, one of the joint which is moving. That it is similar to but at test one moving joint. That here, this is the static. You know, it takes up the static condition, and in the machine, is static loading, and in the machine, work. So for example, let's say you are having, of course, this fixed here. When you apply any kind of moment M, so what will happen in this direction? What will form, the machine which consists. Okay, so how it is different? It means that this frame should have at least one multi-force member than the frame, and if it has one moving part or one or more moving parts, then we call it as a. So let us just put classify following system into truss, frame, and machine. By the way, here also you can write down and here summation for each member. Example number one, to solve this, example number one, what will happen if you are having a force? Here it is, this one, here it is, this one, then here it is. Okay, what it is called? Called truss, because it has just two force members. However, it is not this truss, but may not be, but not a simple truss. Now let's say if you have this member where force is applied, so this the same truss will become, after the application of this force, the same truss will become a frame, because it in all these members are two force members, but this force, this particular member has the third force component, one, two, and three component, three force members. So it means that this is called force because it has one multi-force. Similarly, let us see on the application of this one, if we are having there is a component here. There is a slider, not fixed. This is free, and this is the sliding support, which is connected with the pin. The moment you will apply, so all are the pin joint, pin joint. Not this, you can just provide some. So a system of this. Remember right here as well. So this is the two force member. This is the two force member. This is two force. This is kind of multi-force member. However, on the application of this force side, if it comes down, this will go up. So member. This is also a moving member. This joint is moving. Joint. Hence, this is called. Okay. So this is how we classify truss and frame, which has at least one multi-force member, in which have movable joint or some of the members. With this, we end up our discussion on trusses, frames,